However, having a great chassis isn't enough these days. To impress people, a modern family hatchback has to be sports car stylish, super mini economical, limousine luxurious and packed full of the latest technology. And the Mark III Focus was starting to feel a bit lacking. Ford has also bestowed the new Focus with its latest range of economical engines to make it more competitive. There's a punchy new 1.5 litre turbo petrol which can return over 50 miles per gallon, and a 1.5 litre diesel which can do 74 miles per gallon and emits under 100 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide, so it's free from road.